Yo, what's going on, people? Scott Supreme here from Digital Trap. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to structure beats. Let's get into it. I always make the beats in the pattern, and then what I do is once I'm done, I'll split pattern, which you right click up here, split by channel, and then everything will be down here. I know in Fruity 20 it's down here. What I usually do when it comes to sequencing is I'll lay everything out like this. So I can see each sound and I kind of know what I'm working with. And then what I do is I just build it up piece by piece. Now I've got everything here in the playlist. What I'm gonna do is copy and paste this a few times. So to copy and paste it quickly, you highlight all, Control A, and then press Control B. So I'll do that like 4 times. Then what I'll do is, because we're working at 130, which is double time, it's 8 bars times 2 for a hook. So a hook would be that. Obviously it varies depending on the artist and how they've written a song, so don't take what I'm saying as every case. It's always different. Certain times I'm in the studio with artists and they like the hook to be an 8, sometimes I like it to be a 16. But in this case, it's gonna be an 8, because obviously it's 8 here, it's 16, but because we're in double time, it's now 8. When I start sequencing, I have it here in two sections, and then what I'll do is for the first one, I always work with the hook first. I don't know, it's just my preference on how I work, but it works for me. Every like 4 bars, every 4 bars having a change up. So for this section, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep the flute, which is the M-Tron Pro. Keep the flute in hook, and then I'm gonna delete it for this bit. You know what? I'm gonna just have a little bit playing, so just every couple bars, and then switch it. And then from there, you've got the hook here, you've got the verse here. So what I'll do now is paste these over. And now you've got them. Depending on the rapper, certain times rappers or singers will want it structured a certain way to however they're writing it, but this is just the general way that I would go about structuring stuff. Check how long it is. It's nearly 5 minutes. That's enough. Never needs to be over 5 minutes. More times I make it 5 minutes. The song will normally end like at 3 minutes, but I always make it at 5 minutes or just make it longer than the rapper or singer needs, so that when they vocal it and it's on loop in the session and they're writing to it, they can just continuously not have to keep pressing space bar, and you know how it gets, fam. You know. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Also, let me know what you want to see as well in the comments. It'd be interesting to see what you guys want to hear from, what you guys want to see from us next. So yeah, stay tuned. Scott Supreme, Digital Trap. I'm out.